Look what just came in the post. Ah! Look what it is! I got the SD card here. I got the SanDisk Extreme Pro. This one just comes with a tripod. It does come with a tripod, so there is no tripod. Where is it? I am just trying the camera in natural sunlight outside. The sun is coming from this side and I'm walking the opposite way. I'm using the camera at night time. It's quite dark, but there are still street lights. Guys, look what just came in the post. Well, you guys don't know yet, so let me show you what came in the post. Let me move back a bit. Amazon parcel. I'm gonna cut myself with this. Promise I know how to use a knife. Ah! Oh gosh! Look what it is! Oh my god! I did it. I got myself a little DJI OSMO Pocket free camera. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Honestly, I'm not actually that excited right now because I actually got over the excitement. I've been obsessing over this camera for literally a year now. It's crazy. It's insane. Like, I don't know what this problem is. Once I like something and I need to have that thing. Okay, let me open it. But yeah, once I like something, I need to get that thing or else I'm not gonna rest at all. It's really bad. I'm guessing this is the actual camera. This is the app. Well, I think I got the creator combo. It doesn't come with an SD card, but it did come with oh my god, this is so small. How do I on this? Okay. What? How do you control the gimbal? Oh, you can zoom in with the gimbal like that. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, no SD card. 1 second. I got the SD card here. I got the SanDisk Extreme Pro because when I was doing my research, everybody was saying that you need a specific one, and on the DJI website itself, they did have like a list of specific ones that you needed. So I got this one. I got the. Did I get 64 gigs? I thought I got more than that. No, Amazon haven't. Are they having a laugh? I definitely got more than 64 gigs. Are they alright? Are you okay, mate? It comes with a little. It comes with the micro SD card and then like an actual outer thing of the SD card that you can put in, I guess. Exit. I love that it's touchscreen. Like, I love. When I got my Sony ZV-1, I'm filming right now. You guys say hi to YouTube. And YouTube say hi to TikTok. This is my current camera right now. How do I turn the gimbal around? I don't know. Oh, what the heck? No, I don't like how I look on this. But the angle is wide. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's got such a wide angle. I'm gonna insert this footage. I'm not liking how I look on it. It's washing me out, so I'm gonna have to color grade and do all the settings for dark skins and whatnot. The zoom is nice. Let me see if I like. Is this how far it zooms? Compared to my my Sony zooms out a lot further than that. Let's do the comparison with my Sony. Yeah, Sony zooms out a lot. Zooms in a lot further. Okay, so let's try and work this gimbal. Okay, that's how it works. Can you guys see? Ooh. Okay, I'm such a dummy. The reason why I was looking a bit off was because I moved the gimbal. So how do I like just center the gimbal? Oh wow. Okay. It does come with a little other little accessories, like a mic, and I hope this is the charger, or like an extra. Okay. And this is what you use to screw onto a stand, I guess, or onto the tripod. Yeah, you use this. You have to put this in. How do I turn it off? Okay. Tripod. Oh, that's the mic mount. What's the tripod? I could have sworn this comes with a tripod. It does come with a tripod, so. Oh. No, it's not. There is no tripod. Where is it? Okay, that's weird. That's so strange. That's the mic muff there, but there's no tripod. And that's the this to go in there. I'm definitely gonna have that on there. I was getting warm though. This goes in here as like a strap. Okay, before I actually go, I do have this. I bought a magnetic mount so I can just put it on stuff. Sorry guys, my energy's low. I'm really tired, and I forgot to take my iron tablets today. Oh, it's a strong magnet. It's bigger than I expected as well. That's what it looks like. I wonder if I can put it in with this. No, doesn't seem like this. And to take this off, I guess you just press this. Surely it doesn't just slide it in like that. It doesn't seem secure. Do I have to unscrew it? Surely not. That's a whole lot of work, because this cannot go through here. I'll be back when I figure it out.
2 hours later.
I'm so stupid. There was literally a valve to release it. Okay guys, I am just trying the camera in natural sunlight outside. I'm walking to class right now. I don't know what it looks like because the sun is coming from this side and I'm walking the opposite way. So I just want to see what the light is like, and I want to see what the sound is like without having the mic and the I want to see what it's like without having the noise cancellation turned on when you're just outside naturally. So yeah, I'll leave you guys. I'm going to class now. Okay guys, I'm using the camera at night time. It's quite dark, but there are still street lights, but obviously there's no sunlight, and it seems like it's doing quite well. So that's what it looks like in the night with no sunlight and just street lights. I'd imagine it's a bit different where there are no street lights, but I don't have that place to show you guys. So yeah, and you guys can see how wide the lens actually is. It's literally showing you the other side of the street as well. So, and yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.